And GDX, you can see big bounce from this trend line, then 61% retracement, small range breakout, then big crash. So that trend line was big dynamic support level, finally breakout and clear closing below trend line. If you see weekly chart of GDX, on this low gold price was 1984 this year. On this high gold price was 2795, and you can see after this crash 50% correction complete, but gold sentiment are still full bullish. If gold goes down, then you can see this entire trend retrace 50, next will be 61%, that means $32 will be big support level. And this is static horizontal support zone, it is fifth zone. So this is the reason I say 2530 in gold big support level, because that was wave counter trend correction X, ABCD triangle, wave Y, 38% projection, big crash. And we have to see how price react in this support zone, the lower range $32. One more stock, Barrick Gold. Just recall last 2 years when this level retest, gold low 1620. 2023 this level retest, gold low 1810. This year again this level retest, gold low was 1984. This level retest 3 times, but each time gold was making higher low. Now after this retest, gold price was almost 2800, big vertical crash, still going down. So goes down more, 13.80 no doubt will be big static horizontal support level. And if you see historical relation of Barrick Gold and gold for last 2 years, let's see when this stock retest 13.80 level, gold stop going down or not, because this level retest mean gold is, or simple term you can say hidden RSI for gold, saying it has to stop. So all the people who are saying top in gold, big reversal going to 2300, before that watch Barrick Gold chart once again. And for more clarity for scalper, one more static support level breakout last week $16, and next one just explain in detail 13.80, upside correction, next one $17, retest, then new lower low. So based on Friday closing, let's imagine if gold crash more $100 in vertical line, then this stock can easily retest 13.80. I think this give you enough reason to understand why sideways range in gold below 2800, about 2530 is possible.